So hello everyone, this is the latest electric height adjustable desk by JIN Office Solutions. So now what is special about this desk? This desk comes along with a lot of new features that we didn't have before. So as you can see, there are some features like headphone hooks as well as on which you can hang headphones as well as bags or something. Then there is also bottle holders available in this desk. So there's a metal bottle holder in which you can put your water bottle so that you don't need to place them on the table as well. There's one very special feature. There's also an optional crossbar available. So this is a stability crossbar. What this does is it increases the stability of the desk. So this is optional. This depends on the environment in which you're placing your desk. Some people who don't want it can just remove with the help of the screws, or else you can just keep it attached for better stability. Now I'll just show you the basic height adjustment. There is a button panel on my side. So when I press the up button, the desk starts to move up. So as you can see, there is no sound at all while height adjustment, and the height adjustment is very stable. There is no sort of jerks or movement. Now this shows the quality of the motor and the quality of the desk and the metal when the height adjustment is very stable, which shows the premiumness of the desk. Also, there are some basic features in this desk like memory presets. So you can save your sitting as well as your standing heights. So when you save them and you press them, I don't need to keep pressing the button. The desk will automatically adjust the height where I have saved the memory. So now when I press the memory preset 1, so it will automatically adjust the seating height which I have saved. So these are some of the features about our new JIN Office desk. Now I also tell you about the different colors. We also have a lot of color options with the tabletop. Right now I'm using a walnut tabletop. The size is 1200 by 750 mm. So it gives me a lot of extra space on my desk to place many things. We also have other colors like white available.
खरीदारी के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक दिया गया है जिससे आपको डिस्काउंट भी मिल सकता है।